Hello, dear pandas. Welcome to Panda News. FTX's bankruptcy plan, approved by U.S. bankruptcy judge John Dorsey, will allow the collapsed crypto exchange to repay customers fully, with recovered assets potentially reaching $16.5 billion. Additionally, FTX shareholders could receive $1 billion from seized assets, including funds from the sale of Robinhood shares previously owned by FTX co-founders. Bitcoin's recent rally stumbled as China's easing of stimulus plans fell short of market expectations. After the Chinese Golden Week holiday, Bitcoin slid to $62,000, erasing much of its 7-day gains. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, plans to approve more cryptocurrency exchange licenses by year-end, according to CEO Julia Leung. After approving local exchange HKVAX, 11 platforms have undergone reviews. While some exchanges like OKX and Bybit withdrew applications, Hong Kong aims to strengthen its position as a crypto hub. WorldCoin, the crypto project co-founded by Sam Altman, has launched Face Auth, a new security feature for its World ID. This system uses one-to-one face comparison to ensure that only verified users can access their accounts, enhancing security for online transactions and sign-ins. BitGet and Foresight Ventures have invested $30 million in the open network TON blockchain, aiming to enhance application development on Telegram. The funding will support major play-to-earn games and increase the investors' involvement in TON's governance. BitGet CEO Gracie Chen highlighted the potential for innovative product development within TON's decentralized framework. See you tomorrow